Alright guys, so I am bringing another telephone to you tonight. I found the other phone that I had, which I forgot that I had. So here goes nothing. Here we go. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to do a sound test and a sound check on this phone. Alright?
Leave a message after the tone.
Testing 1, 2, 3 on this vtech cordless phone. That is all. Thank you. Alright, now that we got one new message.
You have one new message. Sunday, 6:32 p.m.
Testing 1, 2, 3 on this vtech cordless phone. That is all. Thank you.
Message deleted. End of messages.
There you go. I hope you enjoyed it.